Okay. Okay.
Dave.
Yeah.
Hey, explain what just happened.
So I came over here and I said, hello, we're back. And as soon as I got done, my IR light stopped working. So what you're seeing right here on the back of this camera, it's dark. You can't see it. See? I didn't even touch anything. Didn't even touch anything. It just went off again.
And it just went off.
Can you make it go back on again? Can you make my light go back on again so it looks pink back here? Did you unplug my IR light?
Is that your meter?
Did,
It's the milligon. It's the...
did you unplug my light? It's okay. I'm not mad. That's fine. Give me a sign that you did. Can you turn my light back on?
Was it here or down there?
No, it was down towards you guys. That's why I thought you
I
did
thought it
it.
was on the other side of us. Or when we got that Wi-Fi box in it.
Really? I thought it came from in here.
Here, shine it in here. Oh, never mind. Go ahead. I forgot. I keep forgetting.
Fuck, dude. What was that? Can you make that loud bang again? What was that? Who's here right now? You obviously want us to know. You, oh, fuck.
That ring light didn't go off when we walked by there, did it?
Nope.